Let me share my screen. Can you see my screen? Yeah.
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. So you make the mistake in here. In this time, we need to create the image collection. Okay. When I put the median,
Okay.
then it will be not a image collection. It work as a single median image. So for that, I simply copy from here and try to create the image collection.
Okay.
And also not to mention about that. Okay, filter bound, filter date, filter metadata. So it also okay, no problem. Image collection, filter bound, filter date, filter metadata. And call this function variable name. Okay, so it also okay, but why it not showing? I try to use another variable. Okay, let me try to use this same code for this study area. So what's the problem?
I don't know what's the problem here.
Image okay, so let's occur. But it show, oh, I think it's a big area. Okay. So for
It's
that,
a
for the
big
big
area.
region is not show. But when I want to show this chart only for this point, suppose for this point, just I can easily get this result. So it show okay. So now the chart is the appeared, but the chart show only for this point result time series chart for year of 2023. So for doing these things, I think we can also try to suppose I take the lower image, suppose less than 1%, and then try to check. Okay, so now I can get its result. So in this time, when I put at the okay, so then it's create the large image collection. So in this time, we try to use our own only ROI. ROI is our shapefile variable name. So try to put at that ROI, and now try to show the chart for the whole listed area. Okay, it's showing the result. Yeah, so it's showing the result. Yes, there are too many pixels in this region. Max pixel allow only for that. So for that, we just increase the scale value and then try to check. Suppose I put the 100-meter pixel area and then make the time series chart of LST. Okay, so now it show this type of result. Mainly, it show the less than 1% image. How much image I can got? Less than 1%. Less than 1%, you can get the 5 imagery. And now the chart create the total 5 hello. Okay. Suppose I try to put at the less than 5% cloud cover I try to get, then I can get all of image which is the less than 5%, and it create the chart from all of images which are less than 5% cloud cover. So now it computed this image collection. We can get the 12 images less than 5%, and also create
Yes.
this chart using this total 12 images. Okay, and all of images added the new band which is LST. Each image
Okay.
extract the band which this band name is that you can see LST. Okay, and now we create the chart for that from the total 12 images. Okay, so now I can so you can get this type of chart in.
Okay.
Okay, so basically this is the process to create the chart. But first time when you put here the 90% cloud cover, then it create the lot of images. So there are the lot of
Okay.
images, so that's why it across the limit. So that's why it cannot create the chart. So that's why I simply shorted this time, and it's a big region. So that's why 30-meter pixel area is not is not capable to make the time series chart. So that's why we make this time series chart. Mainly, suppose you can see this value 32 degrees Celsius. It is struck from the 100-meter pixel area. Okay, 30-meter pixel
Yeah.
area is not calculated because there are the too many pixels for the 30 meter. When I increase the pixel area, then it will be work. Okay, so I will send you the code. You also try to check from your side. Yeah.
But sir,
Yeah.
because we were having 30 meters scale and now we have increased to 100. That's no problem.
It's not much problem. Okay, so it's not much problem. So in this time, basically in this time, suppose it take the pixel area 30 meter and then get the value, but in this time it take the pixel area 100 meter because my region is much big, and when I put here the 30 meter, then it have lot of pixel. Okay, it have lot of grid or cell, and then this computation is not working because Google Earth Engine has also some limitation. You can see it show the result too many pixel in this region when I put the 30 meter grid size or pixel size, but when I increase the size 100 meter, then the pixel grid size is also small. Suppose a 100 meter pixel area cover the 100 meter pixel area, and the pixel is also shortest, so that's why it will be easily work for that 100 meter. And I will send you this correction code. So is there a time series chart for, okay, so time series chart for NDWI, yeah. So you make the band and further add this band with that, and you take this fill center, filter bounds, filter date, shortest, and image weight, how much image we can got, 299 image we can got. So further hero chart personal collection, max pixel allows only for this value. Okay, in this time, so try to increase the value, suppose 100 meter, and then try to run the chart. Okay, so now it's what you can see. Yeah? So 10 meter is very small pixel area, so that's why there are too many pixel. But when I increase the 100 meter pixel area, it also shortest and the chart will be opening.
Okay.
So I also send you this code. You also try to check it.
Yeah.
So basically, when you face the problem too many pixel, then you just try to increase the pixel area or scale. Then it will be work for that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll also send you this code.
If I increase the pixel, there's no any problem in analysis.
No. In this time, it's not any problem in Google.